Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is our first tutorial video. In this I will show you how to download Photoshop Touch in your smartphone, so let's start from mobile screen. First click on link which is given in the description below. Open the link using Chrome browser. After 5 seconds you have to click on the skip ad button, then the file automatically starts downloading. Install the app and enjoy free. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like my video then hit a like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stuff. Ask me your questions in the comments section. Thanks.